hope you are having a blessed day. It is a bright and clear day here on the mountain today. The sun is shining nicely and it is very, very cold. We have 20-mile-an-hour winds and Dinky is causing problems. We have 20-mile-an-hour winds and it is 32 degrees currently. We're supposed to get down into the very low teens tonight. And tonight I'm very excited because I'm going to see the episodes 7 and 8, the finale for season 3 of The Chosen, and I'm so very excited to see it.
Come to me, all who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest.
So we are here today for a different type of video. This is a haul video. I have never tried a subscription box, but I love the So Yeah boys, or the whole team over at So Yeah Quilting.
I'm Brody.
I'm Tiankum. I'm Zach.
We're the So Yeah brothers here in Las Vegas, Nevada.
And they have a subscription box called the Friend Box. So I'm trying it this year for the very first time. I've never done a subscription box. I've always been afraid of what if they send me a box of stuff that I have no use for and I don't like. But now that my YouTube channel is growing, if there's something in there that isn't to my like, something that I'm not going to use for myself, I can just bundle it up into a little giveaway and give it all to one of you. So let's go over to the cutting table where I have the box. This is the January box, and we'll get it open and you'll get my reaction. Okay, here we are over at the table, and I'm gonna cut open the box. So yeah, does a lot of extra packaging to make sure that your items get there safely. They double bag everything. So I am cut my way out of this plastic, and then I have to dispose of the plastic quickly because Mr. Dinky likes to eat plastic. Okay, so they send it in a plain cardboard box that helps reduce costs to you because you're not paying for all that fancy printing on the box. So now, So Yeah does quite a bit of projects and stuff and videos that are just for people that subscribe. So there will be a QR code in here that I will have to hide from you or edit out or blur. Yes, there is a QR code on the back of this lovely, let's see, there you go. Let's make sure you can see that. Yes, you can. And it says, welcome to the Friend Box. Hello, everyone. We're so stoked that you joined us for our 2023 subscription box. Each month's box is designed around our close friends in the industry. Many of these friends are the unseen heroes that have helped us learn more about the industry and shown us in the unique products that we bring into our shop. We have so much love and appreciation for the people that you will get to meet throughout this year, and know that you will enjoy getting to see behind the scenes real life sides of not only us but our friends. Much love, the So Yeah brothers. And of course we get this little sticker here. It's very retro. I like it. Okay, and there is no QR code on here. And this is the friend that is being featured this month, and she is Teresa Porter. She's been in the quilting world for over 25 years. I have loved every minute of it, and it all started in high school when they offered a quilting class. As part of the class, I was able to learn how to put colors together and piece the whole top myself, including doing the long arm quilting. I grew up watching my mom sew costumes, and I realized that I didn't have to sew on the shiny stuff that she was always working on. It opened up a whole new world to me, and I was hooked. So she has been working in quilt shops, and now she works for Riley Blake Designs as a sales rep for the state of Utah. For Utah and Las Vegas and Southern Idaho. Her passion is teaching, and she's all about the tips and the tricks, and she likes college football. All right, so that's really nice. Now we get to know one of the reps. So here is the box. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness gracious, look at this. Wow. This gave me goosebumps. This is really nice. See, I've always been afraid of getting a box that I don't like. So that's why I haven't signed up for a subscription box yet. But look at these. These are fat quarters, I bet you. And look how fancy they're folded. This is a fat quarter. Fat quarter. Yes, sirree. Oh, and then if you wanted to be fancy, you could stick it back in here like one of those paper footballs that we all used to make. Don't know if that's still a thing or not. But all of these yummy, luscious colors, this will be very much enjoyed. That is scrumptious. I love that very, very much. And there's also some solids here. And I can tell you right now that that is going to be for the QR code. They always have a project for you to do with the things that they send in the box. Some projects I like, some projects I don't. So that's, it's whatever floats your boat. I was actually thinking that I do need myself a thread and scrap bag or fabric bowl over by my sewing machine that I can use to put all my cut threads and scraps of fabric and whatnot in some place so they're not falling on the floor. And they always include some thread. This is Aurifil, and it's 2021, which is their one of their white colors. So that always comes in handy. I find that I was having trouble with Aurifil. I bought some from So Yeah during a live sale once, and I tried using it in my Bernina, and it kept breaking, and I couldn't figure out why. But oddly enough, my 301 and my featherweight absolutely love this stuff, and I use this as the upper thread in my 301. So this will come in very, very handy. So I'm not going to go to the website on the back here because that's just for people that have signed up. But overall, I'm very excited about that. Let's see how many fat quarters we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 fat quarters, and then some scraps here. So I'm very excited about these fabrics. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I might try and do the project, but I am very, very happy with that. So I will continue for another month, and I will open this up and open it up and see if I like it. And again, if it's something that I don't like, I can always put it aside and use it as a giveaway on my channel. And if I like the project, I'll try making it. This is quite specific. These are going to be Riley Blake solids, which are always lovely. And there are a few pieces of each. I don't know how much is in here, but I'm very, very excited with this box, and I do like it, and I think it was worth the value. I don't know what fat quarters are going for today, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. There are 14 of them. So 14 fat quarters, a spool of, I think, 1,300 meters. Yeah, I think it's 1,300 meters. So that usually sells for around $10. And the scraps of fabric, I'd say maybe equal another fat quarter. So the cost of the box is $55 a month. So if you divide 55 by, say, 15 fat quarters and this, you'll be able to figure out whether or not it is of value to you. I love these fabrics. I'm always afraid that they're going to send me some Christmas fabric or Valentine's fabric or St. Patrick's Day fabrics. I'm not into novelty fabrics as far as holidays, but this I do like. So hopefully I can avoid all of the novelty holiday fabrics, and then I will continue to enjoy this box. Okay, so I did click on the QR code, and it does take you to a beautiful, beautiful quilt. I can't obviously give you the information about the quilt, but it is a star block. There would be 15 blocks in it, and I think it's going to be absolutely lovely. And I will try and make it using this fabric, And who knows, maybe it will get stashed away for a future giveaway. This is from one of my subscribers. I'll give you her name. Her name is P. That's all it is, just P. I have not gotten a piece of Happy Mail in a very long time. This is very exciting. Oh, let me just make sure there's nothing personal. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to, oh my goodness, look at this beautiful fabric. Oh my. Look at that. Oh, this fabric is stunning. All right, I will show you the fabric in just a second. I just want to check the note and make sure she doesn't want this to remain private. But you look at, oh, she's thanking me for telling her about the TV show, The Chosen. Thank you so much, P. I will treasure this little note that you've given me. And she wanted to know if I had ever tried to make a 3-yard quilt. And no, I have not. But she sent me this beautiful panel and 3 yards of fabric. Isn't that stunning? Oh my, oh my. I have goosebumps. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Thank you so much. This is stunning. I've never seen this fabric. It's just absolutely beautiful. So this is the panel. It has a whole bunch of these little sayings, and you can frame them out. I've never done a 3-yard quilt, but it's just beautiful. And in case anyone's looking for this, I'll give you the information. This is from Moda Fabrics. It's stock number 45561. Don't think there's any info on that side. This is Songbook, A New Page by Stephanie Slewinski. Wow, this is beautiful. And all the butterflies. Oh, this peach, what a color. Oh, I love that so much. And then this. Wow. This is stunning fabric. Just beautiful. Let's see. This is also from Moda, and it's from the same line of fabric, but it's just absolutely stunning. Oh, P, I'm got tears running down my face. Thank you so very much for your kindness, and thank you so much for watching my silly little videos. I so appreciate it. Wow, I'm overwhelmed. I'm going to go have myself a good cry. Yep, going to go have myself a good cry. I'm going to reread your note again. I want to thank you all so very much for coming along and watching my video. I want to thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart for your subscriptions, for your thumbs up, and for your kind comments. This is a different type of video, and I'm also going to be throwing some other different type of videos. In the future, I'm thinking of some kind of maybe a block series, randomly picking a block out of a book and sewing it, and then trying to make all of the blocks consistent so they end up in a sampler that you can possibly come along with me on. And I'm going to be thinking of a few other different types of videos to do as well, because my stack of quilt tops is getting really tall and I'm worried about it collapsing. So I need time to quilt. And I don't know how excited you'd be to watch my quilting videos. I don't have a long arm. I can't stand at a long arm. If I got one, I would need a sit-down version, and I can't find one in my budget. So right now I'm using my Bernina 770 QE to use as a quilting machine, and I can't really manipulate large quilts through the machine because my neck and my spine are fused, and I have other issues that prevent me from manhandling a quilt through a small machine. So that being said, I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you'd like to help, you can share my videos with your friends and on your social media. And I will see you right back here real soon on my next project at 70 Acres Studio. Thanks so much for watching. Have a very blessed day, and I will see you real soon. Take care. God bless.
Good night, Elizabeth.
Good night, John Boy.